good evening everyone. I'm Cherry here from Homely Chart. Welcome to today our Homely Cherry market conclusion. And today our topic is this kind of share, the Singapore share, VibroPower One day. Today it is rising more than 17%, and this is a very beautiful round bottom pattern. So this round bottom will continue. We look at the chart first, and today is Mid-Autumn Day, and also is China National Day. So today China market no trading, and we only look at the Singapore and the Malaysia market. And also happy Mid-Autumn Day to everyone, and hope everyone of us have a very wonderful festival with your family together. So just enough we set the share, the VibroPower. This is the round bottom, very beautiful round bottom. From IPO it drop, continue drop, hit new low, and then the round bottom. See, even the price continue hit new low. We see the red bar less than 25%. We see the arrow 25. The axis here. If the red bar less than 25%, so means the banker just collect the chips and begin to build the position. If the red bar can more than 25%, means the banker began to build the position. And if the red bar can reach to 50%, means the banker build the position already. And also the price stand above all the rainbow lines. So this kind of share, it will have the potential to big rise. The pattern from the pattern and the rock bottom, like the Vilma, many other shares, all this rock bottom very beautiful. So if the red bar continue rising above 75% already, means the big fish here, and also the price stand above all the rainbow lines. Currently the short term, mid term, mid long term, all will be support. So this is our pattern. The price stand above all the rainbow lines, and also the red bar break up purple line, means the trend is okay, and also the big money continue flow in. So we can consider enough. It will continue. We just mind the previous high resistance. If the big fish is very strong, and also the price stand above all the rainbow lines, it will continue. Okay, so this is one pattern. And this video is only my personal view with the homely chart analysis. So all the cases here is not for recommendations, and every one of us, we should be responsible for our own trading. Okay. First, let's look at the index. This one is the Singapore market, the STI. We see for Singapore market today have some rise. Its close is 2,500 points. Stand above the important support level 2480. Currently, the price just move around this support level, going up or going down. But currently, from the money flow, we see most of the part is yellow bar, no red bar yet, no red bar and only yellow bar here. So means the hot money play, have some rise, but above the yellow line, the blue line, the white line, all lines will be support. Will be resisting, as currently the candlestick is below all the rainbow lines. So above all the rainbow lines are resisting. And how far it will rebound, it depending on the money flow. See, if only the red bar increasing, but the red bar not come, still no power to big rise. Okay, so for some bank shares, some blue chips also have some kind of rise, but we must know currently we can only treat as a short-term rebound, as the big trend still bearish down. This one is Malaysia market. 3 days ready, continue 3 days, continue drop. So currently the support level is 1475 and the resistance is 1615. 3 months ready, more than 3 months, nearly 4 months ready. The price just move inside these two levels. And currently we see the red bar break down purple line from July 14 till now. The red bar break down purple line, and also the purple line turn down. Most part is yellow bar, so the hot money play here, and also no big power to break up. just sideways and sleeping. Okay. This is the Dow Jones. We see the Dow Jones, SPX, and NASDAQ. These three U.S. market indexes. Now is a very key position. See, the close price just break up the first rainbow line resistance, but not effective yet. We see effectively break up or break down. It must meet two conditions. The first one, the close price can stand above this level for 3 days. And the first one. The second one, the close price above the resistance for 3%. 3 days, 3%. We call 3 rules. If cannot continue, so means it's a false signal. Just like previous here, have some rebound, but the first red line resistance cannot effectively break up 1 day up, right? But next day break down again, so means this is a false signal, and after that it will continue 1 more week drop, but hit the white line and blue line support, have some rebound, and we just see this time whether the breakup is effective or not. If the close price can stand above the green lifeline for 3% or 3 days, it is effectively, and then afterwards we have more space to go. Currently we see 1 week ready, the red bar continue rising, and also the red bar break up purple line ready, so it means the big money continue flow in. So if the big money continue flow in, the price will have more power to continue rise and continue hit new high. So it must need the money flow. If the money cannot confirm the price rise, it will hit the resistance, may pull back again, and also sideways at the high level for Dow Jones. And the SPX, nearly the same movement, the same one. From September 2nd, September 3rd, the red bar breakdown purple line means the big money flowing out. So the price just pull back sideways, have some rebound, but hit rainbow line resistance, pull back again. Hit the blue line support, have some rebound, and enough just to see whether can effectively break up or not. If can, it will be our big chance to do, but if cannot, it will continue sideways inside the rainbow lines. NASDAQ is a bit stronger than Dow Jones and SPX, but only 1 day. 1 day not counts. See, if 2 more days, the close price can stand above the rainbow lifeline or 3%. It means effectively break up. After that, we have more space to go. And also, we should mind the previous high resistance. And also, this big candlestick, the half of the price also will be very big resistance level. Okay, for NASDAQ. But we have some short-term chance to do. The money flow in, the price have some rebound. So we have some short-term chance. But mid-long-term still early to see. We see some sector index. For Singapore market, today only material and healthcare, these 2 sectors drop. All the other sectors are rising. The first one is financials, rise 1.33%, and the telecommunication also rise 0.96%. So for individual share, financials, telecommunication, energy, industrial, we can look for some individual shares to do some short-term trading, get some quick profits, but not big, small profit only. Malaysia sectors, today we have 4 sectors rising, all the others drop. The first one is information technology. Just like the previous talk, we said some technology shares and also continue. Today, the information technology rise 1.13%, materials rise 0.86%, and also energy rise 0.3%. The other sectors all drop. The healthcare, the vaccine shares, the top glove relating shares, and the healthcare sectors, the index, healthcare sector index today dropped 0.97%. So for the strong shares from April till August, so this period all this kind of strong share, now we also must mind the potential risk. For NASDAQ sector, only energy, industrial, utility, these three sectors drop, all the other sectors rising. The first one is consumer staple, rise 0.91%. Healthcare, rise 0.85%. Telecommunication is 0.68%. And the information technology also 0.6%. So under these sectors, we can seek the individual shares to have some short-term chance to do. Okay. First, let's look at the some individual share for Singapore market. This is Submarine. This one from 2012. Since 2012, more than $3. Now dropped 8 years already. Now the price is today the close is 15 cents, but 14 cents is the bottom. Recently it have 4 days rebound already, 4 days rebound, but this rebound whether can continue or not, it is still very difficult to say. Yesterday in our talk, we said have 3 kind of shares. The first one is the big trend is bearish down. We have some rebound. So Submarine now is belong to this kind. The second kind is the price just stand above the white line, bull and bear, the white line. So means that horse point. The third type is the history new high. So these 3 kind of shares have different strategy. Yeah? For Submarine, currently we can only take as a short-term rebound. As above the green line, the lifeline, the yellow line mid short-term, the blue line mid long-term, and even the white line long-term all bearish down. So we can only take as short-term rebound, and if the red bar continue rising, it may have power to rise some more, but if the red bar disappear, it will continue drop again. Okay, so we can use 60-minute chart or 30-minute chart to follow the intraday movement. This one is Y plus. For this one, if the price break down the yellow line, so means not very good already. For retail investor, above yellow line we can do, but if break down yellow line, better after first. We wait for next chance. See, from 10 cents it rise to more than 70 cents, 700% in less than 2 months. It's very strong, right? But usually after big rise, it will have long-term sideways or big drop. And after long-term sideways finish and also the big fish come back again, it will be our another chance. But currently it's very clear. The red bar continues smaller, and smaller. So it means the big fish flowing out already. And many retail investors chase high and locked here. So the retail the green bar is more than 75% and the red bar less than 25%. So it means the big fish they make enough profits, and after already many retail investors locked here. So for this one, how long it will wait, nobody knows. Just we know if no big fish flow in, if no big fish come, and also if the price cannot stand above all the rainbow lines, it will no rise. It will continue sideways. Okay. Riverstone today also have some rise, but other healthcare shares not so strong. Riverstone today rise some 3.7%, but we see also the same. 1. The close price still not stand above all the rainbow lines. 2. Still have so many green bar. The retail investors still more than 25%. See, for any banker, if too many retail investors here, it will use a lot of money, a lot of capital to make the price rise. So this the banker don't want. So they have 2 ways to shake the retail investors out of the market. One way is long-term sideways. The other way is short-term big drop. 3 days, 4 days drop more than 20%, 30%, or 1 month, 2 months not moving. So if the retail investor smaller, you cannot stand, you just cut loss or you just sell. But after you sold, maybe the big money continue flow in and the price continue hit new high. But currently, the price not stand above all the rainbow lines yet. So still no big chance. Okay. But the good signal is the red bar continue rising. It's good. This one is at the beginning of class we see 31 day rise 17.23%. See, the price stand above all the rainbow lines. We call that horse bone. That's like the HPH. The price stand above the white line and the most part is red bar. So it means the trend is okay, and also the big fish, the institutional money also here. So it will have some rise. But we must mind the previous high, it will be our resistance. Previous high resistance, very important. It may rise, but also may pull back. As long as the price stand above all the rainbow lines and also the big fish here, so no big problem. After short-term correction, it will continue again. Okay, this is the Malaysia one of the individual share. It's C.I. Holdings. The code number is 2828. Also, this pattern very beautiful. After long time and a big drop, a bit like the head shoulder bottom. So also the price break up the white line, dark horse bone, and then small round bottom. So you see this pattern, technical analysis, the pattern very important. If the price stand above the white line, dark horse bone, and also the big fish here, so after some correction, it will continue rise again. And currently, we just wait. Whenever the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance again. Better break up $1.66 better. This one. This few days we talk every day, but it continue hit new high. As the pattern is okay, the price stand above all the rainbow lines, and also most part is red bar, the big fish here. So if the red bar still above the purple line, and the candlestick above all rainbow lines, it will continue. But this upper shadow not very beautiful. Upper shadow means the intraday, the price go to the highest, go to very high, but close, it pull back again. So means in this market still have a lot of people not look good for this share. So that's the reason why have so longer upper shadow. Usually, if the upper shadow is 3 times than the body, the price will have some correction. But the trend is okay, the big fish okay, short-term correction finish, it will continue. Okay, and also this one, the same pattern, the price testing the white line 4 times already, and also the big fish here. See, if the previous high, the resistance level can break up, it's around $2.30. If it can break up the previous high, we may have more space to go. But the big fish must here, the price stand above all rainbow lines. The red bar about 50%. So means the trend, short term, mid term, long term all turn up, and also the big fish here. So if need to this, if can meet these two, no big problem. Just mind the previous high resistance. This one also this few days, 2 days. 3 days we taught this one, but continue hit new high. Now we should mind the previous high resistance around $1. Also the same pattern, the price stand above all the rainbow lines. So it means short term, mid term, long term all turn up. And the red bar more than 50%, big fish here. So short term correction finish, it will continue rising. Currently, we mind the previous high resistance. If the resistance can break up, still okay. So how can we use homely chart to filter? For any market, we have so many individual shares. How to filter the dark horse share? We can go to here, we just click the market and the language, and then we choose any market. We just click the dark horse filter, click filter, so it will scan automatically for us. We always look at the strong type. As the defensive is from fundamental analysis, it's undervalued, but sometimes it will continue drop for some period. And the grow up type is combined fundamental analysis and technical analysis together. The strong type is from technical analysis point. The in very short term have some potential to big rise. So this kind of share we call dark horse. We can only look at this kind of strong shares. Okay. So today our video will finish here, and tomorrow is Friday, and we see you tomorrow again. Good night. Have a nice day. Oh, another thing, our daily market conclusion. Many friends ask how to subscribe. So this one we mainly including Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong market, and every trading day is 8 to 8:20. You log in your YouTube, you search Homely Cherry, and then click the subscribe. So every trading day, if we have video, you can know. Okay. And also this weekend, this Saturday and Sunday, this Saturday morning 10:30 to 12 is the open class public lecture given by me, the smart trading on strong stocks by Homely. So I will tell how can we pick the strong share, and how can we do the smart trading. Okay. If we pick the right share and also trade smartly, we can make 100%, even 1000% profit. But if we pick the wrong share, it will be very difficult to make big money. So Saturday morning, the pink color is for public, and also Sunday 2 to 4 p.m. also for public. So everyone can free registration and free attend the webinar Zoom live. Sunday 2 to 4 p.m. is Chinese talk. See if we can understand a bit Chinese, and then you can registration free one. So the perfect trading plan after correction. US market correct more than 3 weeks already. So how can we do after the correction finish? So Sunday 2 to 4 p.m. talk, and teacher Linda will give us the lecture. Okay. So for these two, Saturday morning English one, Sunday afternoon is Chinese one. These two talk, if we want to free registration, just WhatsApp your name to 96469682. Just WhatsApp your name to this number. So before class, we will send you the class ID and the password. You just use Zoom to log in, and then can free attend. Okay. So today we will be here, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.